Hi, it's Miss Mary with the Faulkner County Library with another one of our new Storytime To-Go kits. Today we're going to unbox Playful Pets and Vets. Okay, we are unboxing the Playful Pets and Vets Storytime To-Go kit. Going to take off the lid. Here's our handy dandy inventory sheet. And look, we have a stuffed puppy and a stuffed kitty cat. And look, an amazing set of accessories so that you can play vet. There's some healing ointment for pets. There's some other really adorable things in here, you guys. Look, it's a treatment cone with Velcro on it so that you can actually put it around the kitty cat or the puppers. Little doggy, look at that. Oh, precious. I know, right? But we also have, in addition to the play set, several books about pets. Here's this one. Here is one of my favorites, Small in the City. Oh, another one of my favorites, They All Saw a Cat. And yet another one of my favorites, Bark George. Talk Oscar, please. Oh, a Doc McStuffins book, Stuffy's Colorful Cure. Please, please, Puppy, which I love the illustrations in this book. And Theodore Susgeisel Honor Award-winning book, Move Over Rover. And a sweet book, Fluffy and Barren. So what a great way to explore pets and have a chance to play and use our imaginations. We hope you enjoy the Playful Pets and Vets Storytime To-Go kit.